So these are the fault codes with the generic scan modes. So every scanner should come up with these codes. EGR, it's obviously an EGR fault, and also a glow plug control module, but there's a glow plug that doesn't work, so it's nothing hard. But here you can see the W204 that's the important code. When you have this code, the valve is probably stuck. It will be stuck, unless you have a bad signal, but chances are, if you have a couple of miles on it, as you can see here, yeah, it's kind of, am I filming this? Yeah, kind of obvious. It's covered with, yeah, with carbon deposits. So I tested it. It moves, but barely. With the auto, you don't have a mode to oh, what am I doing? To move the valve by itself. The engine needs to be running and stuff, but it's really yeah, it's kind of hard with the difficult. It's actually easy, but it's really stuck in there. So yeah, it would be nice to just have a mode to open and close it like this. You can do it if you back probe the wires and just put some voltage on there, some current. But okay, it's obvious, it has been tested. Continue, and I'll show you what we get on the Mercedes mode. Actually, I can just auto detect. Camera. Yep. Oh, come on. Aha, the Benz Europe. Yep. Okay. So that's right. Up. Diagnostics. Takes pretty long always with auto. Meanwhile, it's loading. I'll disconnect. No, yeah. I'll leave it on. Oh, doesn't matter. I'll disconnect this valve, the old valve. No, not gonna disconnect it, else I'm gonna get other codes. Yeah, just move forward. I will not edit the video. I don't have time. So just use your cursor. Use the power. Oh, feels so good. Ah, come on. Oh, we're there. Look, normally you can just select the engine, go drive, you go motor electronics. Will it work? Aha! Then you have to select the correct motor, and it's 651, but I don't know. I think it's this one. Nope. It's easier to just tap on the automatic selection, and then you can but then it scans for all the other modules. but you can pause because it takes the engine first. Look, I'm fed up with this, so oh my, good water, quality water, the less, not sponsored, but quality sparkling water. I don't know if it's built in to charge more for customers, but sometimes some cars really take a hell of a lot of time. It's not normal. Man, my old Ford, 70 years old, 17, not 70, 17 years old. Just you tap on it, baff, everything. This is newer, and no. That's why Mercedes charges probably more than Ford. So yeah, quick run in progress, but nothing moves. What's the deal with that? Nothing moves. I did it, of course I already did it 3 times. Nothing. So it's kind of rubbish. Ah, look, now we can pause. Now it suddenly can find, oh, it's OM646. Now it can suddenly find the correct engine immediately. It's special. Yep, this is what we need. So we had a W204 in the generic scan mode, and now we're in the Mercedes program software. So we're gonna trouble codes, gonna hit that, and see what it gives us. Oh, and there we have it. So only one stored code, 20D3. That's it for the Y27/9 EGR ARF actuator, exhaust gas recirculation valve. Bam. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next one.